crack?
Well, not yet.
I didn't do it afterwards.
The other one popped after.
There is still a little bit here.
Sitting here, it went.
Because the last one was in the middle of the tree.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was in the middle of the tree. So that's the when it was a baby. That's when it was a baby.
It was like something went crack.
You see the centre? So it's the centre of the tree.
Right, that's right where the heart
So there's the centre, yep. And that's when it was a baby. This is how big it was.
that is.
That's the first branch. Oh, yeah, that's what I do. All right. Yeah, that way.
Now. Put a fire on the ground somewhere.
How's that? Isn't that gorgeous?
We can put a fire on the ground where the morning can't. Sorry? Where can we make a fire on the ground we can look at the morning can't we get one from? Where could we put one?
Oh,
It'd make everyone happy, so that was looking up too. Look out in front of the excavator over there. Look on the ground, you see them there. Get a bucket or something. This little fires when you get warm, mate, you know?
Yeah,
Oh, Calvin over there's freezing too, eh?
you freezing, Cal? You alright? You all good?
That's the way to do it, eh, Mark?
Oh, mate, you just asked.
And this is good, mate.
Mate.
It's a cool way to do it. It's a cool way to do it. Good job. Thanks, Rick.
That's all good, homie.
That's so good, brother.
That's all good, homie.
That is so nice.
It doesn't matter, we're going to restack this shortly anyway, can't
Yeah, I know.
Exactly.
One thing's done over there, I've been over there.
That's exactly right.
And we'll stack them up. Right, I'll get a little fire going, Bill.
Oh, we'll give you another one there. Or not?